If you ever need to type copyright registered or trademark symbols in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will save you a lot of time. In just a moment, I'll show you the easiest way to insert copyright, registered trademark, and trademark without digging through menus or memorizing complicated shortcuts. This is a simple Microsoft Word trick that works great for documents, brand names, product descriptions, and anytime you want your text to look more professional. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick word tips and software tutorials. Let's get into it. The fastest method is to use Word's automatic symbol conversion feature. All you have to do is type a specific set of characters, and Microsoft Word will turn them into the correct symbol for you. First, if you want to insert the copyright symbol, type open parenthesis, C, close parenthesis. So that looks like this, C. As soon as you finish typing it and continue writing, Word will automatically convert it into the copyright symbol, copyright. This is perfect when you're writing content credits, legal notices, or anything related to ownership. Next, if you want the registered symbol, type open parenthesis, R, close parenthesis. That is written as R. Once Word recognizes it, it will automatically change it into registered trademark. This is commonly used for registered brand names, logos, and protected product names. Now for the trademark symbol, type open parenthesis, TM, close parenthesis. That looks like say TM. Word will then convert it into the trademark symbol, trademark. This is especially useful when you're labeling a brand, service, or product that uses a trademark mark. The best part is that this method is fast, clean, and built right into Microsoft Word, so you do not need to open special symbol menus every time. If the symbol does not convert right away, just keep typing a space or another word after it, because Word often completes the replacement as you continue. Also, make sure AutoCorrect is enabled in Word, because that is what makes this automatic conversion work. If you ever want to check or change those settings, you can go into Word options and look at AutoCorrect features, but for most users, the default setup is already enough. Another helpful tip is that once these symbols appear in your document, you can copy and paste them anywhere else you need them. So if you only want to type the symbol once, you can reuse it throughout your file. This makes it easy to keep branding consistent in reports, presentations, product descriptions, and legal text. So to quickly recap, type C for copyright, R for registered, and TM for trademark in Microsoft Word, and Word will automatically turn them into the proper symbols. It is one of the simplest productivity tricks you can learn, and it can really speed up your workflow when you work with documents often. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, computer tips, and easy software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.